How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to change the fluid in your manual transmission on all the S197 Mustangs. The transmission fluid in your Mustang is a vital maintenance part that needs to be changed from time to time. Keeping your transmission fluid clean and cool is vital to prolonging your transmission life expectancy. Routine transmission maintenance should include fluid changes every 30,000 miles to keep your shift smooth and your performance up to par. Everything you see in this video today can be found through LMR.com, including parts, tech articles, and warranty information. Today in the shop, we will be working on my 2012 GT500. This car is nearing 200,000 miles, so keeping my transmission fluid fresh is one of my top priorities. These same general steps can be used on all 2005 to 14 Mustangs with a manual transmission. Depending on the year and make of your Mustang you are working on, the fill and drain locations and the fluid capacities can vary. Check out the S197 fluid capacity chart in the description below. Let's head over and show you how simple this one is to complete. Some of the tools you will need will be a lift or a jack and jack stands, a 3/8 drive ratchet, a drain pan, a funnel, a few feet of 3/8 hose, and some general cleaning supplies. Start by popping the hood on your car. Next, support the vehicle via a lift or jacks and jack stands. Moving under the car, locate the drain plug on the side of the transmission. Using your 3/8 ratchet, insert the square drive into the plug and remove this from the body of the transmission. Make sure to have your drain pan handy and slowly drain out all of the fluid. Once you have the fluid drained, reinsert your plug at this time. Wipe the surface clean with a rag. Moving back to the top side of the engine bay, route your 3/8 hose down between the bell housing of the transmission and the bulkhead of the Mustang. Go back under the car and remove the fill plug on the side of the transmission. Insert the hose and make sure to secure it in place. Our funnel did not fit the hose we used, so we made a quick adapter from a fill cap we had laying around the shop. Back at the top, insert your funnel into the hose and slowly add the recommended fluid. Our TR6060 in the Shelby takes approximately 3.7 quarts or until the new fluid starts to dribble out of the fill hole. Depending on your model, these specs will be different. Make sure to check out our fluid capacity article on the link below. Once you see the fluid coming out of the fill hole, remove the hose from the underside of the car. Reinsert your plug at this time. Using some brake clean, make sure to clean off any residual fluid. Lower the car back down and check over for any leaks. Test drive the car and you are all done. Alright everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to change your manual transmission fluid for your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should roughly take you about half an hour to complete. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As always, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.